we need to remove the brake caliper, and in order to remove the brake caliper we need to take it out of this guide right here. So 15 millimeter low profile tin spanner, hold it like that so you can see, and a 13 millimeter socket. Okay, and we'll take out the connector first. There we go. It's full of grime and dirtiness. Go to let this one drain. I'll show you how to remove the motor on the brake, on the automatic brake, handbrake, and also seal this crack, because the crack is it's very nasty. That's a main issue. This can leave you on the road. This indeed it retorques. So it's tight, but it's not like impossibly tight. Corrosion, I think, is the problem. Yeah, corrosion is the main issue. Okay, same thing on the top. Make sure that this one is clean. Okay, it's getting undone. Good. Okay. I just want you to see this corrosion. Now it would be a little bit harder. It would be a little bit hard, but that's how you remove it. Squeeze it hard and push it to the side. Now this is what it seizes on the back when all of the water and dirt goes in. Keep that in mind. Okay, and this is the reason all of the corrosion. So what we are going to do is try to scrape the corrosion. Okay, now on this side, take a small screwdriver, take a pick, take something sharp, and just as much as you can run it through the side here, so you can take it like this. Okay, we'll continue cleaning. You can take a water brush in the end, especially here to the side as well. Make sure it's the cleanest thing possible. The cleaner it is, the better. See, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better. And that's for like 10-15 minutes of cleaning. This one is at least not cracked here. Only crack is right there. If the crack continues, this is completely going to fail. There is a planetary gear. I don't know if it's called planetary, but there is a gear, like a reduction gear, with a plastic belt. There is a motor here, and inside, in between the gears, water penetrates, and it's getting very nasty situation. So I'll quickly show you how we are going to glue this one and make it nice and clean, watertight as well. Up. I'll put the air conditioner on, it's way too hot. what I'm using. This high modus PU sealant and adhesive. Over paintable. We're not going to paint on top of it, but you can if you want to. Yeah. Run it a few times so we know it penetrates on the bottom. Even this should be enough, but I just don't trust myself, so I don't trust myself. I don't trust the glue. Okay, just like this, like this. That's it. And now we will leave it to dry. Let's fit the motor back in. A little bit of Vaseline onto the inside, and we need to make sure that both of the bolts are going in nicely. They need to be cleaned as well. This is now cleaned. Okay, so now take some Vaseline. That doesn't need to be a whole lot. And rub it through here. A little bit more. If you have a special grease for oxidation, you can use it. Unfortunately, I don't have it. You can ask your Volkswagen dealer. I'm sure they have a part number and they can give you. They have something that prevents oxidation, so when they do this repair they put it on. Okay, now the motor itself. On the other side as well. This one feels stable. How stable it is, I'm not very sure. It will definitely need a new one at some point. But what can you do? Okay, so now let's put some in here and clip it back on. Here, there we go. Clip it in. There we go, it's in. Good, so we definitely saved the motor.